Hello, hello. This is Kendra Fipps Crowe. I am an entrepreneur. I own my own business. We actually help local businesses with direct response marketing, and an additional bonus that we give is community pages or Facebook groups to scale them. Right? One of the reasons why I wanted to cut this video is because I was just like you. I struggle with Google Ads. I did not know what to do, number one. And number two, there's so many gurus out there. I struggled to find the right one that was a fit for me. But luckily I did. Google Ads Like a Boss. The videos are short. They're how-tos, and they cut through all of the riffraff that you normally get on training, and they get directly to the point. So if you're struggling with your YouTube ads, if you don't really know exactly what to do, and you don't want another guru to actually take you down the rabbit hole, Google Ads Like a Boss is for you. For me, the training has been easy. The support, because you're truly gonna need support along the way, because things do change inside of Google Ads, right? You have the support that's going to be there for you. The principles are the same, but you do have people standing over your shoulders that's willing to give you a lending hand. And the community. That's the last thing I'm going to say. You want to be inside of a community where there are entrepreneurs in different niches that are growing their business just like you. So if you're struggling, you don't know what to do, you don't want another guru, you want someone that's going to hold your hand and support you, or maybe a done-for-you service, this is the place. Click the link below. Can't wait to see you in our community. Bye for now.